On Friday, at least I'm telling you in the video, clear? Before starting on Friday, at least you should do your level best to recite at least 1000 times the worship. It's very easy. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can easily recite. It takes almost 20 minutes. If you recite it every day, it doesn't matter. We spend many 20 minutes every day in useless activities. If you recite it, it will be good for you. Clear? It's going to be a game changer for you. Clear? This is not unusual thing, but dash point is that 10 can cause. Clear? So it's a B part. This is not. It's B part. This is not an unusual.
Yes.
I think so. It's not B part. Do you agree?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Let's analyze it, because computer may make mistakes. It's an unusual thing, but the point is this is not an unusual, but the point is
Yes, sir.
there should be the over here. Here should be n.
Yes.
Here we should put n over here. Then the is there. Why the point is that? Because point is special, particular, something special. Clear? Use the appropriate articles the and the, a and and. Explanation. Unusual begins with consonant sound. Consonant sound. It's also
No, sir, it's wrong.
un.
And it's a vowel. You have vowel.
Use the vowel, I think so.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll see it, okay? I think so that this is not an unusual, okay? If it is, we'll discuss it later on. Okay? Next one is the point being referred to is specific, that's the reason the article is there, okay? Next one, honesty is the best policy. Clear? So I think this one is the highlighted underlined part, that is italicized, honesty. So it's an abstract noun, and I want to discuss why it is an abstract noun.
Because honesty we cannot see it or not touch it.
Yes, I know honesty well done. Honesty is not having any material form. Clear? It's not concrete. We cannot touch it. We cannot see it. She made the cake herself. So herself. What is herself? Reflexive. Clear? Reflexive pronoun ends with self. They reflect the action back to the subject. Clear? She made the cake herself. Clear? Mean she and herself, they are same. Clear? Same person. So this is, you can say this will reflect the action back to the subject. Clear? Herself shows did it independently. Clear? And when it's reflexive. Next one. That is, he has many books in his collection. The underlined word is adjective of quality. Which one is the underlined word?
Many.
Many, I think so.
Yes.
Quantity, that is. Yes, many is the underlined. Clear? That is the adjective of quantity. Clear? Many expresses an indefinite number. It answers how many. It tells quantity, not description. Clear? Those years at the lake were the best times of my life. Those. What is those? Why it is a demonstrative adjective?
Because that is pointed out something that
Modifies a noun. Which noun it is modifying? It is modifying the noun years. It advised me to exercise regularly. The word advised is a transitive verb. Why it's transitive verb?
Transparent.
Okay, easier one. Let me tell you an easy trick.
Yes.
And it did. Clear? The doctor advised me to exercise regularly. I was advised by the doctor to exercise regularly. We can make the passive voice of the transitive verb.
Yes.
Clear? If we can make the passive voice of the sentence, then it means it is advised is transitive. Otherwise, if we cannot make the passive voice, it means it is intransitive. Clear? So I have told you the easiest formula, but you have to guess. Clear? Next one. The flowers in the garden are blooming beautifully. So the flowers in the garden are blooming beautifully. So there is which sentence it is? Declarative, exclamatory, interrogative, imperative. Why declarative sentence? They can be information. Clear? This one states a fact. No command, question or strong emotion is present. There is no command in it, there is no question in it, there is no strong emotion in it. Clear? Only it is stating the fact. That is and it is giving the information. That is the reason this sentence is declarative sentence. Next one, I believe that he will come soon. The sentence illustrates the use of adjective clause, noun phrase, adverbial clause. Clear? What's the noun clause? I believe that he will come soon. That he will come soon. Why it is a noun clause?
Gives the meaning.
Noun clause acts as a subject or object. It is acting as an object in the sentence. That he will come soon. It is acting as an object in a sentence. Clear? That's good, okay? That will be, that he will come soon function as object of belief. Clear? It will, okay, just go. You want to go outside? It needs to think rather than describing. I thought, clear? So there is another key to identify whether it's a noun clause or not. If it answers the question what I believe, that he will come. I believe that he will come. That's what I believe. Clear? So it answers the question what. Clear? What? Clear? Next one. She has been reading novels all day. The underlined part is a verb phrase.
Have been reading novels.
She has been reading novels all day. All day, I think so it will be.
Has been reading novels.
What phrase? So has been.
Verb phrase. Have been reading novels.
Yeah.
Has been reading. Yes, has been reading. That's the reason it's a verb phrase. Let's identify. Clear? Have been reading is a verb phrase because all the verbs are over here. Phrase is a group of words. So it is a group of verbs. Has is a verb, been is a verb, reading is a verb. Clear? That's the reason it's a collection of verbs. That's the reason it is a verb phrase. Clear? There may be many other reasons. Have been reading novels shows the complete action. Verb phrase include auxiliary main verb. It expresses tense and action together. It's okay. Next one. That is the teacher asked what we had learned in the lesson. Clear? So again, it's a noun clause. Why it's a noun clause?
Because it acts as
What
an
we had
object.
learned in the lesson.
It
Clear?
acts as a
It acts as an object in the
sentence.
sentence. It is acting as an object in the sentence. That's the reason it's a noun clause. Clear? And it's answering question what the teacher asked. Clear? Next one. Again, the series of events that follow the exposition and build tension or conflict is called rising actions that follow the exposition. After the exposition, clear? There are series of events. and they build the tension. Those that build the tension or conflict, that is called rising action. I told you the definition. So it's exact, it's good. I will develop the story's tension. Clear? It occurs after the exposition before climax. Introduces challenges and suspense. Clear? Next one. I have told you 1,000,000 times hyperbole. When we exaggerate, enhance something, clear? When we enhance something, maximize something, that is called hyperbole. Clear? When the time is reaching near, please give me a signal like point up. Clear? Next one. Blow, blow, blow the winter wind. This poetic verse illustrates the best use of imagery. Why blow, blow, blow the winter wind?
It's imaginary.
Imagery.
Because it creates a scenario in our mind.
It creates a scenario, it creates an image, it creates a scene in our mind. It creates the mental pictures in our mind. That's the reason it is imagery. Clear? Blow, blow, blow the winter wind mean run. Clear? Next one. That is giving human characteristics to non-human thing is called personification.
Very simple.
It is quite simple, understandable. Next one. Any issue with the personification?
No.
5
minutes are still there? Whatever. Please look at the board, please. Look at the board, not look at each other. She is the man of the house. The man of the house illustrates the use of metaphor. We're directly calling
Without like as
man.
We are
Man of the house.
without the use of
We
language.
are directly comparing her with that of the man. Clear? That's the reason it is metaphor. Clear? And it conveys strength of authority. Next one. Identify the correct adverbial phrase. She walked along the sandy beach at sunset. Along the sandy beach.
adverbial phrase.
Along the sandy beach. Clear? That is correct adverbial phrase. Why it is adverbial phrase?
What if
Where she
I
walked?
Like how, where, when, action.
Where she walked? Where she walked? It answers the question where she walked. Along the sandy beach. Clear? Next one. Again. Pick the correct synonym for the word candid. Candid means frank. Clear? Similar meanings, candid means honest, straightforward, frank is the closest in meaning. Clear? Yes. Next one is the word opposite in meaning to hostile is
friend?
friendly. Hostile is hostile mean to be opponent. Clear? And friendly is the opposite in its meaning. Next one. Choose the option with correct spelling. Supersede, supersede. I think that will be correct. Supersede. Clear? I think so.
Yes.
Clear? Next one, identify the example of complex sentence. So, although I was tired, I stayed up to study. But why a part in the complex sentence? Although I was tired is dependent clause.
I stayed
Although I was tired is a dependent clause.
independent.
I stayed up to study, that is independent clause. There is one about dependent